This is a trailblazer in the industry, constantly pushing boundaries. It is a company that dominates the market through its commitment to quality and earns trust through its sense of responsibility. Moreover, it is a visionary haven where Made in China evolves into setting Chinese standards and paves the way for global success. With an unwavering dream as our compass, we will embark on a journey of endless possibilities. RUIPUHUA is boldly forging ahead in multiple standard domains, pioneering a new path by leveraging national standards as our guiding force. Setting sail with the crucial responsibility of taking the helm and steering the industry's growth. Having introduced and implemented nearly 20 national, industrial standards, RUIPUHUA is firmly rooted in the belief that standards serve as the foundation for progress. With a resolute and confident approach, we are making our mark on the global stage, aiming to empower the entire industry with the fruits of standardization.
我们的制造业更应该注重长期主义，在自身的专业领域持续深耕探索，不断的科技创新，才能避免低价竞争的恶性循环，才能真正的有利于行业的健康发展，才能给企业自身、给客户、给社会创造价值。
Embarking on a high-quality development journey paved with innovation and dedicated R&D. RUIPUHUA's products and technologies consistently lead the industry. With over 100 authorized patents, the company's sales network spans across the nation and extends to over 100 countries worldwide. Embarking on the path towards our aspirations amidst the tide of technological revolution and industrial transformation. As a trailblazer in the field of automation equipment, RUIPUHUA remains committed to innovation and excellence. Through further advancements in automation and intelligence, we aim to propel the industry to new heights.
我们RUIPUHUA公司在饮料包装行业深耕20年，具有丰富的设备经验和完善的开发流程。同时，公司具有成熟的生产体系、一样的 ERP 系统，二次开发出适合公司的物料跟踪体系，使订单周期最短压缩到7天，使生产计划更加有序，最大的满足客户对订单的需求。
Driven by wisdom, we fearlessly embrace the challenges ahead, leading the charge and reshaping the future. With our sights set on the horizon, we are poised to bring forth remarkable achievements and excel in pioneering breakthroughs. We believe that every moment shared with you is a pinnacle for RUIPUHUA. Each day in your presence fills our organization with sunshine and warmth. Let us march towards a future brimming with boundless possibilities, hand in hand.